Yes, make una share the video. Just make una share am. Governor Wike of Rivers State. Governor Wike of Rivers State. I can't thank you. I first tell your people, Governor Wike, I say make dem not leave you, say you be better governor. You be governor where stand for Rivers State where? Governor Wike. I see your video again where you take come out, come tell us Edo people the truth. You come out, you not be Edo person, you be governor of Rivers State, Governor Wike. You can't tell us again, say DNA test of Governor Obaseki na betrayer, na betrayer. Edo people, wanna go listen to that video if you never listen. I can't take this opportunity back Rivers State again. I see one video where Governor Wike do that time when he tell una say the years when he spent for governor, say he go fit take that place change to Europe. Say mona see puan, mona see give am chance. May see rule. Now I tell una say make una not lose am. If una lose that Governor Wike, it be like one of our governor where we don't lose for Edo State, where we not see the kind governor again. Now I say when they see they tell una, I bet Rivers State people, make una not forget Governor Wike na very good governor where they tell the truth. All of una where see the clap on today, and they see them for Niger Watch, they see the support of Obaseki, and they see them for different platform. You know, say I tell una, say all these people, all those the Niger Watch, all those people, they find rabbit for, they find pikin, they find rabbit for where they want cash. And they tell una, say all those people, all of them, they know me well for Edo State. If governor fit come for 2 years, breaking, enough you put breaking for us, where they do bread. The same governor go come out now, consider deceive una with their propaganda. For PDP, una go dey believe. I tell una say Oshomole na be Baba. I tell una say Oshomole be Baba, una no believe. They tell una na no hear. Today all of una dey regret am. Oshomole not there for PDP now. We quarrel dey happen there now. Governor Wike when he fight for am, when he pass soldier, come for Rivers State, pass soldier come Benin. The same Governor Wike na they tell una today say Obaseki DNA make they go do and say na betrayer. Na be the Obaseki CNN. Edo people make una open wide. I will say una go carry me go put for that governor. Governor Wike go be my godfather. Edo State for change. If not be so, make una tell am he go know the best governor. As all of the take day for post, all of the take day for post, you go know the person will go fit Edo States. The same man will go do something I they take the know. I can't tell Rivers State people as I said send this message for at that time. Mona not lose Governor Wike before now see the kind governor again. Since when Ogbemudia come up for Benin Governor Ogbemudia, I felt tell that day. Make they can't try picking. They say na work where Papa do remain. Now picking they do finish. If Ogbemudia get man picking or get woman picking, make they come try have a governor. Now work where Papa do remain. Now picking they do. You know see all those one where they come so let be wayo or make una tell Oshomole wey be Baba. May bring person come out for us. Because now he bring Obaseki for us, he can't tell us say Obaseki not good. We not take her for a hand. We they say that Gofarity. Now he bring Obaseki for us. Now he gonna tell us say no. You know, agreement go to second turn and say a bad person. No, for those states don't believe. But today, una dey see am. Not coming for that line, not coming for that line. Who be this one? Who be this one? Who be this one? Not coming. If I dey for line, not coming. So, Edo people, I dey beg all of una. They say stone where they see. Now the blind person eye. For 2023, if it is a deco, then it's deco. Don't do it on it's finished now. For us or prep, it is a don't do it on it's finished. Now then is there in the house and I for some of the bring come out for governor. But since he never finished the tunnel for house of prep, we will find better person we will bring, not be them, not be this one again. Or more Oshomole give us better person. If Dr. Wike they lead down, they beg Oshomole today, say me forgive her. Governor Wike of a River State, they lead down, they beg Oshomole today, say me they forgive her. Say no, say DNA of Obaseki, Godwin Enoga say Obaseki of those states, say the DNA now betrayed her. They say now work where Papa do remain. Now Pikin they do. That's why me, new generation prophet Atiti, they tell you, I say, if they say we go see Ogbemudia Pikin, whether a man or woman, now work where Papa do remain, now go sabi. If Governor Wike of River State, they tell us today, say, make they go bring CNN for Godwin Obaseki and Oga say, now betrayed her, now CNN be. Now so many new generation, they tell you now, Prophet Atiti right from time, they tell you now, say, now work where Papa do remain, now Pikin they do. Who be that Pikin? If they say we'll see Ogbemudia Pikin, whether na girl, whether na boy, if na step, if na inye way there for Pikin, I believe say the work where their Papa do remain, now go see do. So before I go, if I reach us today, I'll contact Governor Wike where we come make Benin people eye open. When he come tell Benin people say, now work where Papa do remain, now Pikin they do. Now directly now take Trump. He said if you go to take the CNN of Godwin Obaseki in Oga Asef, you go take the CNN, you go see and say na betrayed and I be the CNN. So I tell people, now me, new generation called thank him. Me, new generation called thank Governor Wike of River State. God bless you, sir. Your Excellency. I didn't see you are a really good governor. You are going for president, When time come, we need people like you. We need people like you. So make una share the video, make it go viral. Later in the evening, I'll come and thank and well. He come make a do people know, say, now work where Papa do remain. Now Pikin they do finish. He come make a do people know. That's why they tell you now. If I dey turn and say more they go for Ogbemudia Pikin right from time. Now work where Papa do remain, now go fit do. Some people will say what they talk for there. Some people will say what they talk for there. Parable na Wike throw for na so. Governor Wike of River State. He said they go try CNN. If they go try Obaseki CNN, they go bring result now be trading 9 days. So for that simple reason, I'm coming today. Make una share the video, make it go viral. So River State people, as I first tell una right from time, say now the best governor will not get Governor Wike if una lose him. If una lose Governor Wike of River State, before now go see that governor again, that kind of governor. Governor Wike needs to be una godfather for River State. He reach where go be una godfather. When go the person come and say now, go for this seat. If the person fuck up, go drive and come up for there. He deserve godfather, Governor Wike of River State. So make una share the video, make it go viral. Now maybe that una Pikin, new generation prophet Atiti. Make una share and make go viral. If I reach out today, I'll contact Governor Wike. We come make a do people know say CNN of Obaseki, the CNN, whether they call DNA, say na betraying, na DNA be. I'll contact and where today. Make una share the video. Let it go viral.